In today's video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek for presentations. I'll teach you how to go from a simple idea to a well-structured presentation outline and script in a record time. So before you begin, you need to think as DeepSeek as your presentation co-pilot. Now there are main three sections that you can use DeepSeek to create your presentation. First being the structure and flow, second the content development, third storytelling and engagement. So here let's take a use case for a new project management software and you're trying to create a presentation for potential clients. Whatever your case may be, this can act as an example for you to adjust your prompts as well as your content accordingly. Now here I've added in a prompt which says act as a presentation strategist. What this does is ask the AI to act as an expert on whatever the topic you've added in. Along with that, you need to be specific and ask all of the details that are required. As I have added in here, I've added in all of the features that this software has and as well as ask it to create all of the things that I need. Along with that, you can adjust the tone as well. Of course, if it is for clients, you need a professional tone as well as an engaging tone. So if you give in this simple prompt, you'll see that DeepSeek will create an entire outline of a presentation that you can tweak here and there to adjust it accordingly. Once you have this basic structure, you can use DeepSeek for advanced tasks as well, which may be audience adaptation or time management as well. So you can take a look at the slides that it has provided along with the content, and if you need some changes, you can again reprompt or add in simple changes to your original prompt. This way you can generate an entire presentation without having you to think much. So yeah, that's basically the video on the way that you can use DeepSeek to create presentations. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.